Hi, my name is Andy Posner. I'm a managing director with Altum Strategy Group, and I'm here with Dan, a director within our within our technology practice. Recently, we've been experimenting a lot with Microsoft Fabric, and I brought Dan here to give some quick highlights in terms of what we've been experimenting with it, and also kind of how it's helped us out as well too.
Yeah, thanks, Andy. Really, Fabric's been great. It's really what it's allowed us to do is really do the transformations, at scale, which is, hard to do when you're first prototyping a system, but it's also enabled us to see the data through every step of the transformation so that we're easy to trace that back and really identify what happened when, maybe what went wrong, and how we changed the approach to fix it. There's just so much in Fabric that we're really just getting to the tip of the iceberg, as they say. But it's really been a great solution. Really helped us to, as I said earlier, transform the data, but then see the data through the Power BI integration and the reports and other analytics that are available, throughout the process, really, and really make sure we're meeting the goals of our team internally, but then as we take this to the clients. Really helping them see, okay, this is what your data will look like when it gets into the target system.
Yeah, and that's one of the great parts that I like about it too, is that since a lot of our clients are leveraging OAuth 365, it's not that far of a leap to then expose data into the Microsoft Fabric environment and then begin to use it to, transform it, enhance it in some way, and then do some analytics on it as well too.
Yeah, I was just reading about the integration with Microsoft Purview to protect sensitive data, and although that's kind of an extended use case, it's really interesting when organizations themselves start to use it. If they're using Purview for other things, as I understand it, the integration is very quick and easy. So a lot of things, like you said, pretty fully integrated with O365.
Yeah, leveraging the groups and the access controls and so forth too.
Yep.
So, great. Well, thanks a lot, Dan, and I look forward to talking to you guys later.
Thanks, Andy.